Hey, Homestead Prepper. This is the gas-powered air compressor project that had the leaking tank. You can still see it's leaking. I've come up with an idea of what to do with this for some onboard air, so let me get a few things together and I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to take this off here and right here. Get that removed. Well, it's actually going to come off pretty easy. We'll take this off over here. And then we can get down to business here. Pull that off. It needs a little cleaning. Alright, now for the fun part. This is where we're going to do like a little convertible change on this thing. So let's see if we can get in there and cut this thing off. Try a little bit from over here. Well, there goes one blade. Alright, I got a brand new blade right here. We're going to try that. Get that thing in there. well, that's one half. Let's spin it around. And we'll get the other side here. I guess we're losing our battery. We'll pop one out. We'll pop another one in. To catch on everything. I think it's about ready to break free. Take this off, and hopefully that thing will just lift off of there. Oh, you know what? I gotta take that off before it'll lift off. My bad. Okay, I took a wrench and loosened that up. It should spin all the way off, and this top should pop off. Got one, still uncooperative. There we go. Alright, there we go guys, one converted air compressor, and this right here, this back here is junk. So I'm going to take that piece off right there and reuse that. So okay, just a little bit of the aftermath. Well, that Sawzall does some really nice cuts on it. Not perfect, but anyway, this right here is just junk now. Just take that and scrap it. Okay, well, I really like these rubber feet right here, and they're just pipes and they just slide on. Also, I want to take these drains off of here. So that wheel, I don't know if I could use that for anything. The handles, I don't know. But definitely I want those parts.